Celebrating this over 50 listeners because we are the shiznits, okay? Yes, so we got the full spread. Y'all see we'll be over here eating. Judge your mama. Judge your mama, okay? Because we eat. We ain't thick for no reason, okay? I work out. She work out. We drink water. We eat vegetables. So if you being judgmental, fuck you. Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
Several bad puns later.
Okay guys, we're finally done. So, I didn't show you her food before she packed it up. She eat her food because she is an adult woman. And we like for our stomach to still be on the inside of our pants. So we still pacing. She's on her first mimosa still. I'm on my second one, Judge Your Mama.
Turn it up, okay?
Yeah,
and
definitely.
sipping with my water as a chaser because I like champagne a little too much.
She's so responsible. I'm not, okay? I'll do that shit later. I'll do it later. I'm not even worried about it, okay? Not worried about it. So today was a successful day. It was wonderful. It was great. We still got a couple more things to do. But glad y'all hung out with us today just for a little bit. We'll holler at y'all next time, though. Body roll.